We now proceed to the signing of the Conference Committee report on fiscal year 2026 General Appropriations Bill.
Yes. With this understanding, we now proceed to affix our signatures to the Conference Committee report.
This is a product of the very first open BICAM in history. We made sure to show to the public exactly how every peso of the Filipino people's taxpayers' money is allocated in the budget. So all four books are here in front of us, printed, and this has also been shared with the members of the Bicameral Conference Committee.
This is about 4,300 pages na binasa ho nila ng 5 beses. Pagtapos ho ma-ratify bukas, kaagad i-upload ho natin sa ating mga transparency portal. Of course, pepermahan po ito ng ating Pangulo. So kung meron po siyang mga changes, yun po ay nasa sa kapangyarihan na ho nila. Sama-sama ho tayo para maibalik ho natin yung tiwala ng taong bayan at mag-uumpisa ho yan sa maayos at transparent na pagbabalangkas po ng ating budget.